Welcome to our tutorial on efficiently deleting multiple blank columns in Excel. We'll explore 3 methods that will save you time and effort when cleaning up your spreadsheets. Using the Go to Special feature, sorting to consolidate columns, and automating the process with a VBA macro. Let's begin with the first method, which is a manual approach using Excel's Go to Special feature. This method is straightforward and requires no coding. Start by selecting the cell range in your worksheet where you suspect blank columns may be present. This will be the area we focus on for deletion. Navigate to the Home tab and click on Find and select under the Editing group. From the drop-down menu, choose Go to Special to open the dialog box where you can specify the type of cells to select. In the Go to Special dialog box, check the Blanks Radio button to indicate that you want to select all blank cells within your specified range. Then click OK. With the blank column selected, return to the Home tab and click on the arrow below the Delete command to expand the drop-down menu. Choose Delete Sheet Columns to remove all the selected blank columns at once. Our second method leverages Excel's sorting capabilities to rearrange your columns, pushing all non-blank columns together and making it easy to delete the blank ones in between. Select the same data range as before, then go to the Data tab and click on the Sort command under the Sort and Filter group to open the Sort dialog box. Here, you'll specify how to sort your data. Click Options within the Sort dialog and select Sort Left to Right to ensure that Excel consolidates your columns based on the first row. Confirm your selection and click OK to initiate the sorting process. For users who prefer a more automated solution or need to perform this task frequently, our third method involves writing a VBA macro. This script will dynamically identify and delete blank columns in a selected range. To start, open your Excel workbook and navigate to the Developer tab. If you don't see this tab, you may need to enable it via Excel's options. Press Alt plus F11 feet or click Visual Basic to open the VBA editor. In the VBA editor, click Insert, and then Module, to create a new module. This is where you'll paste the VBA code that contains the logic for deleting blank columns. After saving, go back to your Excel worksheet. You'll need to initiate the macro by pressing Alt plus F8 to open the Macro dialog box. This dialog box lists all available macros within the workbook. In the Macro dialog box, locate and select the macro named Delete Blank Columns or whatever name you've given to your macro. Once selected, click on the Run button to execute the macro. A prompt may appear asking you to select a range that contains blank columns. Use your mouse to select the appropriate range within the worksheet. This selection will determine which columns the macro will check for blanks. Upon selection, the macro will execute and delete any blank columns found within the specified range. You'll immediately see the result as the blank columns are removed, and your data is reorganized accordingly. Congratulations! You've learned 3 different methods to delete multiple blank columns in Excel, each suited for different situations and preferences. These skills will greatly improve your efficiency when working with large datasets. Thanks for watching our tutorial. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask. Don't forget to subscribe for more Excel tips, tricks, and in-depth guides.